Hello. In the last lesson, we tried to understand the standard subdivisions of duodecimal classification. Today, we'll try to understand table 5 and 7. These tables appear in volume 1 of duodecimal classification. There is a slight difference in these tables, which requires a careful study. Professor Satyanarayan will explain to you.
Hello. Let us now discuss the tables 5 and 7 one by one. First of all, let us talk about table 5. Table 5 deals with racial, ethnic and national groups. There is a particular point that should be noted in this connection. First of all, it cannot be used directly. The notation has always to be used wherever there is directive in the main schedule. Secondly, it can also be used through the standard subdivision 089. Apart from this, it can be also used along with numbers taken from other tables such as area table. When we are using numbers taken from area table, we have to keep in mind that a 0 has to be added to the notation taken from area table unless otherwise it is stated in the main schedules. Now let us try to understand table 7. Table 7 deals with persons belonging to various groups. The different groups of persons dealt with in this table are national, ethnic and racial groups, people belonging to various professions and people of different physical and mental capabilities. In other words, people taken as a group belonging to different professions and specific professions or different disciplines is completely dealt with in this table. The use of table 7 is similar to that of the use of table 5. It can be used wherever the main schedules direct it to be used. This is the first point that is to be noted. Secondly, the notation contained in table 7 can also be used along with standard subdivision taken from other tables such as 088. The point that is to be noted here is the contents or the notation that is to be taken from this table has to be attached only whenever it is directed to be used directly in the main schedules. Where it is not used, it has to be used through standard subdivision 088. The third use of this table is that the number contained in table 7 can also be used along with numbers taken from different main schedules. So this is the provision made about the use of table 5 and 7. Uma will explain to you the exact procedure of using these tables with different examples. Uma?
So, consider the title Psychology of Indians. The main subject in this document deals with psychology. If you go through the schedule of psychology, you will come across the number 155. Could you locate it? Yes. Now let me show you how I have worked out the number for this document. (155) stands for differential and genetic psychology. Under this, the number 155.84 stands for psychology of specific racial, national and ethnic groups. Under this number, there is direction to add notations from table 5. So the number for Indians in table 5 is 91411. By adding this number to the base number 155.84, we get the complete number for the title Psychology of Indians, which is 155.8491411. Let us now consider the subject Social Stratification, which deals with social structure. Let me explain to you with the help of an example. Social status of Japanese women. The number for social status in the main schedule is 305. Under this, the number 305.8 represents social status of specific racial, ethnic and national groups. Under this, there is direction to add notations from table 5. The number for Japanese in table 5 is 956. Adding this number to the base number 305.8, we get the complete number, that is 305.8956. Let us clarify the use of table 5 with the help of one more example. Take the title Discrimination of Indians in Fiji Island. Now try to construct the number for this title.
But I'm not getting the number for discrimination.
Under what main class do you think it should be?
It should be in social sciences.
You're right. Now consult all the specific headings under the social sciences and see if you could find out the number for discrimination.
.305 is for social stratification.
Yes.
And under that, there is a note for discrimination.
Yes.
305.8 stands for racial, ethnic, national groups.
I mean discrimination of racial,
Yeah.
ethnic and national groups.
Yeah.
Okay.
And under that, there is a note to add racial, ethnic and national group notation 0, 1, 2,
Yes.
9, 9 from table 5. And also there is an instruction to add 0 to the result and add area notations 1 to 9 from table 2.
That's right. Now try to construct the complete class number.
305.8 stands for discrimination against racial, ethnic and national groups. With this number, we have to add the number for Indians from table 5. Under table 5, 91411, 91411. With this, we add a connecting symbol, that is 0. And then we take the number of Fiji Islands from table 2. The number for Fiji Islands is 9611. So we add this number 9611
will be the complete number?
So the complete number is 305.8911096110, where 305.8 stands for discrimination against racial, ethnic and national groups, 91411 for Indians, 0 as the connecting symbol, and 9611 as the number for Fiji Islands.
The use of table 5 could be seen in several instances. Let me explain to you with the help of some more examples. Let us take the title, Preparation of Bengali Dishes. The main subject in this document is cookery. The number for cookery in the main schedule is 641.5. Under this, the number 641.592 represents preparation of food by different ethnic groups. Under this number, there is instruction to add notations from table 5. The number for Bengalis in table 5 is 9144. So adding this number to the base number 641.592, we get the complete class number, which is 641.5929144. Let us take a quick look into another example. Take this title, History of Aborigines of the World. The document deals with the study of Aboriginal tribes from the historic perspective. In the main schedule, the number 909.04 represents World History of all ethnic groups. Under this number, there is instruction to add notation from table 5. The number for Aborigines in table 5 is 011. Therefore, adding this number to the base number 909.04, we get the complete number for the title History of Aborigines of the World, which is 909.04011. Consider the title Migrant Labor of Indian Origin in Zanzibar. Let us construct the number for this title. Find out the number for the migrant labors.
It is 331.63
Yes.
for native born non-indigenous ethnic groups.
Okay. Is there any instruction under that?
Yes, there is an instruction to add numbers from table 5 and table 2.
Yes. It is similar to the earlier example.
Yeah, earlier example we had got the number of Indians
Yes.
as 91411,
Okay.
and to this we have to add a connecting symbol, that is 0. The number for Zanzibar
Yes.
from table 2 is 6781. So we add this number
Okay.
6781, and so the complete number is 331.6391116781.
Where is the 0? You have missed it in between. Sorry.
So
Yeah.
the complete number is
Okay.
331.6391116781. 9141106781.
In certain situation, when there is no direction in the schedule to add notations from table 5, we take help of the standard subdivision notation 089. However, care should be taken to see that it does not give rise to any ambiguity.
What do you mean by ambiguity in this case?
Well, after adding the number 089, one should see that this does not represent any other subject in the schedule. You have understood?
Yes.
Now, to explain the use of this standard subdivision notation 089, let us take up one title, Costumes of Eskimo Women. Let us see how to work out this number. The main subject in this document is Costumes of Women, which is represented by the number 391.2 in the main schedule. Under this number, there is no direction to add notations from table 5. In this case, we have to take help of standard subdivision notation 089. After adding the standard subdivision number 089, we have to add the number for Eskimos. The number for Eskimos in table 5 is 97. So adding all this number, we get the complete number for the title Costumes of Eskimo Women. The complete number is 391.208997, where 391.2 is Costumes of Women, 089 is the standard subdivision, and 97 represents Eskimos.
Till now we have been discussing the use of table 5 through various examples. Now Uma will explain to you the use of table 7 with other examples.
Let us take the title Ethics in Teaching Profession. The main subject in this document is ethics. In the main schedule, the number 174 represents economic, professional and occupational ethics. Under this, the number 174.9 represents ethics of other occupations. Under this, there is direction to add notations from table 7. The number for teachers in table 7 is 372. Adding this number to the base number 174.9, we get the complete number. The complete number is 174.9372 for the title Ethics in Teaching Profession.
Jaija, I think now you have a fair idea of the use of table 7. Let me find out how far you have understood it by giving another title. Please take down the title and try to classify it. The name of the title is Code of Conduct for Politicians.
This is like the previous example.
Yes.
The number for other professions and occupations is 174.9.
Why do you go to the other professions first? What is the profession that you are concerned with?
Code of conduct for politicians.
So politicians is the thing that you want to assign.
Yeah.
Okay, please do it.
But I have to add the number of politicians from table 7.
Please do it.
It is 329.
All right.
So the total number is the complete class number is 174.9329.
Let us now consider the basic class sociology and try to assign the class number for one more title, which illustrates the application of Table 7. The title I would like you to consider is Social Status of Buddhists in India. Uma will explain to you the procedure involved in the construction of the class number.
Yes. Social status of Buddhists in India. The basic subject of this document is social status, which is represented by the number 305. Under this number, the subdivision 305.6 represents social status of adherents of religious groups. Under this number, there is direction to add notations from 21 to 29 from Table 7. The number for Buddhists in Table 7 is 2943. While adding this number, the first number 2 has to be removed. After this, we have to add the number for the country, that is India. Under the number 305.6, there is also direction to add notations from area table after adding 0. So, the complete number for the document, Social Status of Buddhists in India, would be 305.6943054, where 305.6 represents social status of adherents of religious groups, 943 Buddhists, 0 is the connecting symbol, and 54 represents India. When there is no direction in the schedule to add notations from Table 7, we take help of the standard subdivision notation 088. For the purpose, let us take up the title, Drug Addiction Among Students. The main subject in this document is drug addiction. The number for drug addiction is 362.293. Under this number, there is no direction to add notations from Table 7. In this case, we add the standard subdivision notation 088. After this, we add the notation for students, which is taken from Table 7. The number for students is 375 in Table 7. So, adding all this number, the complete number for the document, Drug Addiction Among Students, the complete number is 362.293088375, where 362.293 stands for drug addiction, 088 is the standard subdivision, and 375 is students. At times, we also use the standard subdivision notation 024. Let me illustrate this with one example. Mathematics for engineers. Let me show you the number for main class mathematics is 510. The standard subdivision number 024 stands for work for specific types of users. Under this number, there is direction to add notation from Table 7. The number for engineers in Table 7 is 62. So adding this number to the main class number 510 and the standard subdivision number 024, we get the complete class number for the document Mathematics for Engineers. The complete number is 510.2462. Let us sum up what we have discussed so far. The main points discussed are: Table 5 constitutes racial, ethnic and national groups.
Table 7 represents persons viewed from the point of view of groups and individuals from the point of view of race, religion, sex, age and other personal characteristics.
These tables could be used directly whenever there is directions in the main schedule.
Where there is no such directions in the main schedule, these tables could also be used with the assistance of standard subdivisions like 088 and 089.
These tables could be used with other tables like area table.
0 has to be added to the area notation unless otherwise stated in the schedules.
That's all for this session. In the next session, we'll discuss synthesis of notation. Thank you, Professor Satyanarayan.
Thank you.
Thank you, Jaja.